Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Click's Kitchen. If it's your very first time here, please don't make it your last, okay? And to my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are too much. High five to all of you. On today's video, I want to share how to make egg roll. So in this video, I'll be taking you step by step how to make this egg roll. So the ingredients for this recipe include your all-purpose flour, nutmeg, sugar, butter, milk, baking powder, milk flavor, eggs. So I'm going to boil 5 of these eggs for 15 minutes and set it aside, okay? And salt, don't forget your salt, okay? So to your all-purpose flour, add your milk flavor, nutmeg, salt, sugar. I added 1.5 of that spoon to that recipe, okay? And I added baking powder and incorporate. Okay, so what can make your egg roll to break while frying is excess of baking powder and butter. So I'll go ahead to add my butter. Okay, then I'm going to make a hole at the middle of this recipe and go in with my egg, 1 egg, okay? If you want to add egg, you can add egg, but it's not a must. So I'll go in with my milk. And guys, I did this bit by bit to get the right consistency I need for my dough, okay? So watch me as I do this. Bit by bit, and you mix together. So my milk finished, so I have to add water and incorporate. So at this point, this dough was sticky, so this is the right consistency I need for this egg roll. It's not going to be hard or watering, but this is the consistency I need for this recipe, okay? So I divided them into 5 doughs and set them aside. So my egg is now cooked. So this is my egg and this is my dough, 5 of them. I also have raw all-purpose flour, okay? So I'll go by first of all dusting my palm with the flour, okay? And I have to take 1 dough and place it on my palm, okay? And I have to take 1 egg. Can you see how it is? I have to pick 1 egg, okay? And pushed gently with my thumb and raise the dough with my index finger. Can you see how it's going? Gently. Easy does that, okay? Gently. You keep folding. You keep pushing and raising up the dough with your index finger. Until it's properly closed. So if you are able to close this properly, that means you are a professional. Okay, so I'm going to close this very well and take out excess of this dough. I'll go by rolling with my palms. Then I have to sprinkle flour on my chopping board and roll it very well to close it up very well. Okay, so let's go again for the second time. Dust my palm with the flour. Place it on my palm. Place the dough on my palm. Can you see that? And pick one egg. Okay. And push in with my thumb. Raise with my index finger. Push. Raise gently so you will not break the egg. Push. Raise. Push. Raise. Push. Raise. Okay, until it's properly covered. You see? And if you're able to cover this properly, that means you are a professional. Okay, so I'm going to take excess of it out and rub with my two palms. Okay, gently rub with my two palms before I have to rub it on my chopping board. So that's my chopping board. I don't have rolling board. Okay, so I'll gently rub on the chopping board, okay, to get that round shape. If you did not get this for the third time, I'm going again. Okay, dust your palm with your all-purpose flour. Place the dough on your palm. Pick one egg and push with your thumb and raise with your index finger. Gently. Easy does that. And if you did not close this properly, it's going to splash oil on your face while frying it. Whether your face or your body, if it is not properly covered, it's gonna splash oil on you. So you make sure you cover this properly, seal the edges, okay, and it's good to go. Okay, then see the dough. All right, see the 5 of my doughs. Okay, they are all ready for frying. I'm going to deep fry this and make sure this oil covers it properly, and I'll heat this oil on medium heat. Okay, I have to go in with my frying spoon and check then before I have to add one pie. You stir fry until you get a golden brown color, and make sure you stir fry by lifting the two sides. You turn, if it's fries, you turn so that one side will be cooked and the other side won't be cooked. So you stir fry until you get a golden brown color, and don't allow this to burn. Okay, you keep on stir frying so that the both sides will cook perfectly, both in and out of it. All right, and then I have to take out this egg roll. Guys, egg roll is ready. And our egg roll is ready to enjoy this. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to take this down with my yogurt or my juice. Right now I'm sitting pretty at the dining enjoying this egg roll. And if you're watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Okay? Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.